Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. We are now going to discuss about drugs. Speaking of drugs,
Pasok ako, hindi pa pasok. Pasok ako. Rebecca Sanchez ata to. Pasok ako.
open.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Oh, it's you again. Speaking of drugs, gumagamit ka ba ng drugs, Iha?
Grabe naman, sir. Hindi naman po. Sir,
Oh, ano yun? Ha? Sino yan? Okay, class. Ito nga pala ang pinag-aalas ng kanina ni Mrs. Febby, ang new student ng third year city.
hi, guys!
Siya nga pala si Miss
siya.
Becca Sanchez.
Ang tanga. Yung ano?
Nakabating nga?
Yung pa.
Sit beside Brian
Yung may lipstick.
Imperial.
Oh.
Miss Rebecca, do you have your book? Get it.
Book. Book? Anong page?
168.
Okay, class, please answer 526 to 529 in your house for your assignment. Okay? All class, this is
Alam mo to? Dali-dali lang ito eh.
Alam mo yan? Tara,
Ako naman.
gawin natin.
Ako pa. Visual ka.
Hey guys, tara, ulit tayo.
Ikaw, Brian.
Sige, mo na kayo gawin ang assignment.
Ano ba yan, Joy? Hindi ka tao?
Pakopya ha. O, tara.
Oh my gosh! Si Brian, yung crush ko. Oh my gosh. Yung reply ko. Ano ba yan? Magkikita daw kami bukas. Excited na ako. Good night din, Brian. Mwah. Ay, kailangan ko pa ng beauty rest. Magkikita pa kami ng crush ko. Teka, may beauty pa ba ako? Mag-rest na lang.
Uy guys, malapit na yung summer. Ano ba yan? Balak. Ngayon nga pala, may iba tayo. Alam nyo ba, si Becca. Bakit? Yung bago natin kaklase, naka-text ko ng gabi. Paano mo nakuha? Patay na patay nga siya sa akin eh. Nagkakagusto siya sa akin. Tinutulungan niya ako sa assignment. Lahat ginagawa niya para sa akin. Pinagtitripan ko lang yan. Tingnan mo. Tula. Gapo mo tula.
Ano ba yan? Naku, tubo ba siya na ito? Yak-iyak na naman. Bata talaga.
Uy guys, 4 na tayo. Paano na? Nga ba lang, kung sa'yo bakasyon nyo? Ay, okay naman. Okay lang. First natin. Hard to pay naman ng summer. Tapos ba nito?
I'm looking at an angel, and believe me when I say she got that whole place glowing. She got that whole place glowing. She got that whole place glowing, glowing, glowing. I'm looking at an angel, and believe me when I say she got that whole place glowing. She got that whole.
Hello? Oh! Nare-check ka, tol! Wow, I see you in class. Good morning. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. As you can see, we have a new student here. Hi. You seem familiar. You look familiar. Huh? What's your name? Huh? May you please introduce yourself for us?
Sir, I'm a new student. I am Miss Rebecca Sanchez.
Huh? Rebecca? Yung Rebecca Sanchez? Wait, class, we are now going to discuss the 5 signs you are under fuel. First, are not sure you're under fuel or eating. A few warning signs your engine might be running on empty. Number 1, you're losing or not gaining muscle. Number 2, tired of all and not sleeping well. Number 3, can get rid of that past development. And that would be all. And actually, we're in a class. That's all for today. Did you learn anything from me? Yes, sir. So, okay, class. Class is meant to tomorrow. Thank you. Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir. Tayo guys, dito tayo. Rebecca, your phone. Wait. Coffee?
No thanks. Dahil pa sa akong gagawin.
Okay.
Grabe, pare. First time ako binili ng babae.
Dati, siya yung umabol. Ngayon,
Dalawa na.
ikaw na.
Karma.
Love can really change your life. There's something magic in my world tonight.
I feel so free. It's like a fantasy. Next to me, something makes magic.
One word, one touch, words just won't say enough. When you fall in love, suddenly